How to make $100 per day online, part 23. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 23rd way you can use to make $100 per day online. So I absolutely love this one because you don't need any experience and you can do this from anywhere in the world. And this is actually something that many people need and many companies need. Okay, so you can start today, there's no investment needed, and you can start making money this way. Now, what it is, I will tell you in just a second, but before, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. These 4 things really help out my channel, so please do all 4 of these things, and this way I can record more make money online videos for you guys. Also, check out all the links in the description. I have my free tools, I have my coaching, I have my courses. Check all of it out. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video. So guys, what we will be doing is we will be a social media manager. Okay, so there are a ton of different companies out there that simply don't have the time to run their social media. They have an Instagram account, they have a Twitter account, they have a Snapchat account, but they don't use it. Obviously, every single business has to be on social media. This is where you come in, you contact these businesses and you say, I'm a social media manager, I can run your social media accounts for a fee. Now, typically, you can charge anywhere from $150 to $250 per month, and this is recurring. So this means that these companies will pay you every single month. You can make $100 per day this way, but you will need multiple companies to do this for. And the cool thing is that you can actually automate all of it or most of it. Okay, so this first automation tool I wanted to show you is Later.com. This is something that will allow you to schedule your Instagram posts. This means that if someone pays you $250 or even more per month, you just go on the first day and you schedule all of their posts for the next month and you are done. So it's literally maybe 2 hours of work and you are done for the month. And you can run multiple companies. You can have 10, 20, 50 different companies that you work for. And Later.com is one of these tools that can help you just automate the whole thing. There's another tool, TweetDeck.com. So this is for Twitter. Obviously, there are many different tools like Buffer.com. This is a paid tool, but if you're making $100 per day, then you can definitely pay, $20 or $50 per month for a tool like this. These two are free. And again, this is for Instagram and for Twitter. You can literally find tools for any other social media platform. So guys, this is how to automate all of your work. Where do you find clients? Now, the website that you can go to is Fiverr. So just set up a gig. I typed in manage Instagram, and as you can see, people literally sell hundreds of these gigs. So I will be your Instagram social media manager. I will professionally manage your Instagram growth. I will be your Instagram manager. I will be your social manager for Facebook and Instagram. So guys, you can set up a Fiverr gig, but what would be even better is just contact all the businesses locally. So wherever you live, just contact all the local pizzerias, all the local car washes, all the local dentists. Just, think of any business that needs more clients. You contact them and you tell them you're a social media manager and you will do it for them. And by the way, you can set up a gig and just send them to your gig. They can buy your Fiverr gig. They don't need to pay you in cash or directly. I also found this category, social media manager. Okay, so you can go specifically, you can say that you are an Instagram manager or a Twitter manager or just social media in general. Obviously, if you're going to be running more than one social platform, you can charge more money. So let's say you can charge $100 or $200 per platform. So maybe someone will buy all 3 or all 4, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat, for example. So sky's the limit here. All you are doing is just posting for other people on social media, and you can schedule all of it. You can literally set this up in a couple of hours for the next month. So you can automate it, and you can even hire someone from the Philippines for like $3 an hour to do this for you and have a fully functioning online business. So that's the video I have for you today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. Please do these 4 things. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to check out all the links in the description. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Ciao.